So manufacturing as a career path has been great for me and great for all the folks I work with. But I think it starts off when you're really young. If you're the type of kid that likes to build tree houses, you know, go steal your dad's hammer and nails and some 2x4s and cut some boards up and build something. That's manufacturing, right? It's carpentry, but it's still in the manufacturing trades. Or if you like to unwire something and wire it back up, or plumbing, you know, welding, fitting, machining, all of that, it's all manufacturing. And so for any of the young folks that are out there that really like to tinker and see how things work, right? They've got that knack, that engineering knack in them. Doesn't mean you got to go be an engineer, but you like to build things. And it pays well to build things. And it's a career pathway that can go into any of those different fields, but you got to have a desire to want to build.